Going guys, and welcome to day 14 of our dropshipping challenge. We made it to 2 weeks. It's been a hell of a ride. It's been ups and downs, and what can I say? It finally happened, guys. It finally happened. I'm super happy. And right before I wanted to record like 20 minutes ago, I was gonna start off like, there's not really much to update, but right 20 minutes ago, this happened. I'm not sure if you can see that. We got our first order. Yes! I'm super happy that it worked. So yeah, really exciting news. Why I was gonna talk to you guys and say that there's not really much to update is because yesterday I was talking to a friend, and he does dropshipping for a while already, and I was asking for some tips, and he was telling me like the typical dropshipping thing kind of died out, and it's more like build a brand right now. So he gave me tips like don't to avoid one product stores, maybe put up some more products in that store so that people, when they go on it, they don't have to choose either buy this product or not, but they can choose between other products. That's the insight he gave me. He gave me a lot of tips about hooks and about ads as well, but that's nothing like so for the ads, it's the strategy I wanted to go anyways. And yeah, so far we researched a lot of products yesterday, and today, I'm gonna be honest with you, I did nothing. Like, I've been on the way since morning to another city, and then fly from that to Greece. I'm here for vacation right now because my friend has a wedding going on. So I just came home, like it's 1 a.m. And it's the first time that I have time. I'm at home, and since morning I was at this place and that place. But yeah, that's too much talking about this, but yeah, we got our first order. Fully through organic. I think it's still from that YouTube video because it's still getting views. It is at like 14,000 now, and yeah, I'm gonna reuse that hook, reuse the same kind of video I recorded to milk everything I can out of it. I can't wait to go viral on TikTok and Instagram. Instagram is still keeping me at zero. I don't know what's wrong with Instagram, but yeah, I can't wait to really double down, and especially I can't wait until I finally can do ads. Right, I'm still working on the voiceover. I'm getting closer, but the next days will probably be kind of slow because tomorrow we'll have a bachelor's party for my friend. So the whole day I'm probably out drunk as hell and won't be able to do any work. That's why I'll try to record everything right now and like pre-publish it, or like make the video ready and then publish it when it's tomorrow. So that's the plan, but I can't really like do anything else there. I'll try to fulfill the order today as well. And yeah, I'm super excited to get our first order. Thank you guys for following me for 2 weeks until now. I'm super happy. I'm super appreciate it a lot, and also that you can witness my first order in dropshipping, and yeah, it's working. Like, there's always this kind of doubt which you have for dropshipping, but yeah, it's possible. I mean, I paid a couple of stuff like the Shopify store and everything, but all in all, I think one more order and we're profitable. So it's really nice to know that it's working, and I can't even tell you guys if the product goes even more viral, which other YouTubers like show us like 200,000 views or 1 million views, that this is gonna be like 10 times the amount. So like I already got like $39, and for the $39 it's around $10 cost with everything, so $28 profit, which is pretty nice. I mean, I'm super happy for with those numbers. And yeah, 2 weeks are over now. What I'm gonna do next, probably tomorrow, it doesn't even make sense to the day 15 update. This is day 14 and day 13, by the way. So I'll probably try to do days 15, 16, or some other stuff. I give my best to work as much as I can during my vacation, but also I'll try to use this vacation to recharge my energy. I haven't been on a vacation since years, a year, to recharge, and when I'm back I can go like full out, all in, and probably give you guys a lot better content, a lot better updates, and I'm super excited on this journey. We will keep this going until we make $1 million online. Remember this, $1 million online. So stay tuned. Thank you guys very much for everything, and yeah, bye.